Hi guys, Kat here. Today I'm pickling some daikon. I have a recipe on this already, but this is a much more simpler, more easier recipe. So just wanted to share it with you, okay? So what I have here is a Korean daikon that's been peeled, cut into cubes, season it with some sea salt, sugar, and then left in the fridge overnight. And then this is what happens. All the salt and sugar, it extracted from the daikon, and this is what you get, this very clear liquid from the daikon. So this also helps soften up the daikons a little bit, so it's more pliable, you know, more flexible. And that's the kind of texture you want. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse this, not rinse, but drain it. Okay, just drain off. And then put it back into the bowl. And now we're gonna season it with some chopped up garlic, ginger, and chili, fresh chili peppers, okay? I'm eyeballing everything here. So if you were to make this recipe, just kind of season it the way you like. Add as little as much of all those ingredients, okay? So that. And this here is rice flour paste. That's 2 tablespoons of rice flour with ½ cup of water. Then you microwave it till you get this consistency, okay? Put this in here now. Get all of it. This will help bind the ingredients, okay? Then we're gonna add to this MSG. Optional. Those who don't cook with it, don't use it. But those who do, you can add it. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon and a half. And this is Korean chili powder. Mostly for the for the color. It's not spicy at all to me, so I'm just gonna add it for color. About 3 tablespoons. And it's already got salt in it because of the overnight we soaked it in salt. So we're just gonna add some more fish sauce to it. 1, 2. Let's start with 3 tablespoons first, okay? And then we're gonna mix this. Hand mix it or use a glove or whatever, but whatever you want to do, that's up to you. I like to feel my food when I marinate and season it, so I always use clean hands, okay? And so just massage this in there, mix it in, really, really good. Very simple step. You can even taste the seasoning right now. I'm gonna need more fish sauce. So let's add some more. Okay, 2 more. You want to have it perfectly seasoned, so that way after it pickles, it's perfectly seasoned, okay? Ooh, that fresh chili peppers that I blended has a kick. Okay, taste again. That's better. Okay, and then we're just gonna put this into a jar. Oops. Okay, so got a clean jar here. Oops, I'm gonna mess already. Messy. Okay, so just fill it up. Okay, like that. Okay, so here it is. all jarred up. Now, what I like to do is I like to add, put saran wrap over it on the top, just so kind of keeps the top part a little bit airtight. Just like that, just lay over on top so that it's covered. Okay, and then we just close it up and then leave this on the counter until it's fermented or pickled to your preference. Probably take about 4 to 5 days or a week. Okay, so it depends on the weather. If the weather's warmer, it won't take too long to pickle. All right, so we'll check back after it's been pickled. Okay guys, it's been 2 days since I left this out on the counter to pickle, and the weather's been in mid 70s, so it's kind of warm weather, so go ahead and check it. Okay, now you can see there's a lot of, it kind of got more liquid in there now. Okay. Take this saran wrap off. It's pickled. You can leave it out longer if you want it more sour, but this is the right sourness that I like right now. 2 days. Like I say, there's some liquid that while it's for pickling, it came out from the Daikon, and that's perfectly fine. And now to taste. All right, pickled Daikon. Nice, beautiful color. Texture is perfect, it's crunchy, sour and spicy. Very easy recipe. Now all I need is some barbecue to go with it. There you have it. Pickled Daikon. Right guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.